Okay, all of you take your English literature copy. You have to made one copy for English literature. Then write down the heading. Chapter 1, care. First write down the heading. Chapter 1, care. Then you write down the heading, word meanings plus dictation words. All of you take your English literature book. Then write down the heading, chapter 1, care. Then the side heading it is word meanings plus dictation words. Word meaning same only, dictation words also. Okay, understand all of you? What is the word mean? That is same word only, dictation words also. Then listen. Returned, come back. Greeted, welcome in a friendly way. Eyes lit up, eyes shined with happiness. Waged, moved quickly from side to side. Then recovered, became well again. Gradually, happening slowly. Realized, understood clearly. Patterned, touched quickly and gently with the palm. This is the word meaning and dictation words. Okay? Then listen. Second, answer the following questions in one word. Answer the following questions in one word. Okay. 1. A person who is trained to travel in a spacecraft. Astronaut. Okay, then answer is astronaut. Write down the question and answer. Question and answer you should write in your English literature copy. Okay, not the answer. Question and answer. Then second, a person who sells fruits and vegetables. Answer is greengrocer. Okay, then third, a person who makes or repairs wooden furniture. Answer is carpenter. Then 4. A person who weaves clothes. Weaver. Answer is weaver. Then 5. A person who builds walls with bricks. Mason. Okay, this is the question and answer for this first lesson. Lesson number 1. Answer the following questions in one word only. Question answer is in one word only. All of you take your English literature book and write down word meanings, dictation words, then one word answer also. Okay? Then see, all of you take your English literature book, page number 9, first exercise. Take your English literature book, page number 9, first exercise. A. Number the sentences in the correct order. You have to write in the column for the number. See, number the sentences in the correct order. First, Rajat feel ill. Then second, Rajat saw Bruno playing with the other dogs in the park. Then 3, Bruno went to the park on its own. His parents took him to the doctor. Rajat looked for Bruno everywhere. The answer is 1, 5, 3, 2, 4. You have to write, you should write in the column the number. First one, 1, 5, 3, 2, 4. According to the lesson, it is you put the numbers. Okay. See. Then next exercise. Tick the correct options to complete the sentences. A. Bruno liked to take a walk in the park, play with the children in the park, run after the ducks in the park. The answer is Bruno liked to run after the ducks in the park. You should tick here only. Okay? Then B. Bruno was very sad because Rajat was not able to take it to the park. Then Rajat bought a new computer. Rajat went to the doctor. The answer is Rajat bought a new computer. You should put in this column. Okay, it is the answer. Then C. Rajat forgot to take Bruno to the park because He came back late from the school. He was busy playing computer games. He went to a park. Answer is he was busy playing with computer games. Answer is he was busy playing computer games. Okay. Then D. Bruno was playing with the other dogs in the park, playing with the ducks in the park, sleeping in the park. The answer is playing with the other dogs in the park. Okay, answer is first column. You should tick here. Okay, shall I move the next exercise? Okay, all of you take your English literature book, page number 11. Next exercise, take page number 11. Next exercise, use the opposites of the clue words given to solve the crossword. Solve the crossword. Use the opposite word. Opposite. Okay. First one, expensive. Opposite is cheap. Okay, expensive, cheap. Then 2, nest, previous. 3, sweet, better. Then 4, victory, defeat. Then 5, see, 5 it is polite, proud. Then 6, cruel, kind. Then 7, lazy, hard work. Okay, this is the opposite words. Opposite. First, expensive, cheap. Second, nest, previous, sweet, better. Then 4 it is, see, victory, defeat. Then 5 it is, see, polite, proud, cruel, kind, lazy, hard work. Okay, this is the opposite word. Understand all of you? Then page number 12. Use the articles. Articles means A and D are called articles. Last year you studied already. What is articles? A and D are called articles. Use the articles A and D to fill in the blanks. Articles means A and D. Then use it and fill in the blanks. A. Ritu is playing a pen and an envelope. A. Answer is A and an. Okay. Then B. We want to visit the Taj Mahal in Agra. The. Then C. The president is giving a speech. The A. Then D. Sabina and Vishal played cricket for an hour. An. Okay. Then E. The painting on the wall is beautiful. The. F. An elephant and a dog were friends. One day the elephant invited the dog for lunch. Answer is an, a, the. Okay? An elephant and a dog were friends. One day the elephant invited the dog for lunch. All of you take your English literature book and do the exercise. Okay, then shall I move next exercise? Then page number 13. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the words given in the bracket. Fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the words given in the bracket. See, bracket, fill in the blanks and choose the correct word in the bracket and write down the given the space. Okay. A. Wife bought many, bracket it is dress, but the answer is dresses. Bracket it is dress, but the answer is dresses. Then B. He gave her a box full of, bracket sweet, but the answer is sweets. Then C. My mother is peeling a, bracket it is potato, answer also is potato, because a potato only, that's why potato. Okay, my mother is peeling a potato, bracket potato, and answer also is potato. Then D. The child fell down and lost 4 tooth, bracket it is tooth, but answer is teeth. The woodcutter cut the tree into 2 halves, half, bracket it is half, but answer is halves. Okay. Then the last exercise for this lesson, page number 16. The last exercise for this lesson, it is in page number 16. See, tick the sentences which have the capital letters, questions, marks and full stop at the correct places. Sorry, tick the sentences which have the capital letters, question marks and full stop at the correct places. First one. See, Rahul wants to climb the Mount Everest. It is full stop. Sentence is completed. That's why it is correct. You put here tick. Okay. Then second, why is the clown laughing? And the question, why? Why means a question mark. They are asking question. That's why they are putting question mark. Question mark. Your answer is correct. Okay. Tick it. Then 3. Anita hurt her knee on Friday. Okay, Anita. Starting with the capital letter, end with the full stop. If the sentence is completed, that's why it is correct. You put here tick. Okay. Then 4. Who is knocking at my door? Who is knocking at my door? It is full stop. He is asking who is knocking at my door. Then see. What they want, it is question mark. Here it is want question mark. Who? They are asking who is knocking my door. But they put a full stop. It is wrong. That's why you put here wrong. Okay. Why? Who? Who is the question mark? But they are put the, in the end they are used full stop. That's why it is, sentence is wrong. That's why we are putting here wrong. Okay. Then 5. How many owls were there in the forest? How many? See the question. They are put the question mark. And question. The sentence is completed. Starting with the capital letter. End with the question mark. The sentence is correct. That's why we are put a tick. Okay. Understand all of you? All of you take your English literature book. Do the exercise what I taught today. And complete the question answers also. One word answer, word meaning and dictation words you have to write in your English literature copy and do the exercise in the book. And homework it is read first lesson 5 times. The first lesson is over. 2 video I sending, but the first lesson is over. Okay, study well. Have a nice day.